Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2007 Corvette. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 6-liter V8 pushing out 400 horsepower and 400 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 5-spoke chrome 19s in the rears, 18s in the front. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior, automatic transmission. Come around back, we've got a rear spoiler. Opening up the trunk, got a clean set of floor mats. This one does come with a black soft top. Coming alongside, you've got memory seats, power windows, Bose sound system, power seats. Hopping in, you got paddle shifters for extra performance, steering wheel controls, the push start ignition, a heads up display, our radio, dual climate controls, heated seats, cup holders. This Corvette has 40,549 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Corvette, check out feldmanimports.com.